Hey, what's up guys? Jake here with Success Motors. I have a walk around video for you today, as you can see behind me, guys. And if you read the thumbnail, I basically have a brand spanking new truck here, guys. This is one of the, it's about as new as it gets. It's a very nice truck. But if you're interested in it, watch this video in its entirety. I'm going to drive this truck. I'm going to show you in and around it. I'm going to try to point out any flaws if it has any, which that shouldn't be a very long video, or this shouldn't be a long video because it doesn't have any flaws. But I'm going to take you through the history, show you the Carfax, show you the window sticker. That way, you know if you're at a College Station or you're out of state, you know whether it's worth your time to come down here, fly down here, drive down here, what have you. Now, this truck is a very new truck. I generally recommend come to College Station, put your hands on it. Now, we can ship nationally, and if you're out of state and don't feel like coming down this way, you're probably a little bit safer buying something like this than you are something 20 years old like the Ford Excursions we usually sell, because this thing is still fully covered under the bumper-to-bumper and powertrain warranty. So, you know, if it has any issues that, you know, we don't see or whatever, you can take it to any Ram dealer no matter where you are. So you might be a little bit safer, but I do always recommend come to College Station, put your hands on it. Inevitably, you'll see something that I'm gonna miss. But all right, guys, like and subscribe if you don't mind, and let's just start talking about this beautiful truck. Guys, this is a 2025 Ram 3500 Mega Cab, Laramie, four-wheel drive, Cummins diesel. Guys, this truck was purchased in September of 2025, I guess. So less than a year ago. What is that? I don't know, 8 months ago, by the previous owner. And guys, this truck is literally in showroom condition. It's perfect. I think there's one rock chip I'll show you on the bumper, but otherwise, guys, this thing is absolutely brand spanking new, mint condition. It's perfect. The guy that bought it, he's a business owner. He's a great guy. He traded this thing in on a Ford truck that we have. The only reason he was getting rid of it is because he had a Ford. Prior to the Dodge, he went to the Dodge and he wanted back in a Ford. So he got a real nice low mileage Ford that we had. So he just traded this thing in. Guys, he's had this thing serviced at the Ram dealer since new. So it's been serviced at very regular intervals. It's been serviced at Ram, so it's perfect, guys. This is a phenomenal truck, and like I mentioned, this truck only has 19,000 miles on it. The guy did a lot of driving all around the country in this truck because of the business that he owns, and he told me that this thing only towed one time, and it was a short distance. The truck was in Houston. He lived in Houston, and he just towed a trailer like from one spot to another, and that was it. The truck's only towed one time. Otherwise, the 19,000 miles are all highway miles. But guys, this truck comes from the factory with a 36,000 mile bumper to bumper, and it has a 5-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. So all the warranties are fully intact. Guys, this is basically, like I said, buying one off the showroom floor, but at a pretty significant price discount, because, well, it just is. That's just the nature of buying something used versus buying something brand new off of the lot. So let me show you real quick. So the window sticker on this thing, you can find the window sticker on my website. Go to successmotors.net, go to the Carfax link right there, and then you can click on the window sticker. So you'll see this there. It's not going to come through quick or very easily here on the camera, but I am going to try to show it to you real quick. Guys, this truck was $88,355. It's got the customer preferred package 24H. It has the max tow package, so it's got the 5th wheel gooseneck towing prep, automatic leveling rear air suspension. It's got the Laramie level 2 equipment group. It's got the power pedals with memory. It's got the upgraded 17 speaker Harmon Kardon premium sound. It's got the 14.4 inch touchscreen. It's got a lot more than that. I'm just kind of skipping over them. It's got, man, it's a loaded, guys. It's got the power running boards. It's got the dual rear wheels. $88,355 just back in September. Again, that whole thing is on my website, successmotors.net. So again, this is the Laramie level 2. It's going to be loaded. You got the suede, you got the wood, you got the leather. Try to show you everything. Of course, it's memory. It's got the Harmon Kardon sound system. There are not any flaws on this truck. The interior, again, is perfect. I don't think anybody has ever ridden in this truck except the guy that traded it in. Again, he cruised around the country in it, but by himself. So this thing is, I mean, literally perfect condition on the inside and out. Steering wheel is perfect condition. Nice leather. Dash is perfect, of course. No cracks or stars or anything like that in the windshield. And it does have a nice little brow there, which looks to be up at the legal length, which is good. Again, this one's got the 14.4 inch screen. It's got all the, well, I'll just hop up in it. It does come with the 2 keys and 2 key fobs. It's got remote start. It's got power deployable, or you got the power tailgate. You've got all your typical Ram, crazy amount of storage. It looks like it's got a spot to charge 2 cell phones. That's pretty epic. Big old center console. Ram does the center console insanely well. Of course, it's 4-wheel drive, trailer brake controller. Again, Laramie level 2, absolutely pristino condition. Mega cab, can't go wrong with a mega cab. Really like the mega cab. Again, I don't believe anybody's ever sat back here. And of course, these seats fold completely flat and make a very flat, large space where you could go camping or what have you. The mega cab is gigantic. Carpets are all super, super clean. USB, USB-C, heated seats in the back. Another vantage point. It's a little bit dark today, but hopefully you can see just how clean this thing is. Of course, no dents, dings, none of that. We'll do the exterior tour here in a minute. And again, it's got your 5th wheel prep pack. Doesn't even have a rhino line or anything, guys. This truck has not been used yet. Like I said, this thing has just been driven, hence the 19,000 miles since September. I'll do you the exterior tour here, like I said, in a minute. If you have any questions, call me 979-202-1948. I believe this to be the newest vehicle we've ever had. Which is pretty cool. Of course, power seats, memory seats on both sides. Truck is very well optioned. You got your original Ram manuals and bag in there. Dual cubbies. Again, literally not even a single flaw to show you in there, guys. That is a brand spanking new interior. Coming around exterior. Exterior is absolutely perfect as well. So these are going to be the original tires truck came with, but they got tremendous tread life. They got full life left. Again, this is a Southern truck, so your frame and everything is absolutely perfect. So those are the tires that it came with stock. See the little Ram right there showing you it's the original windshield. Big old mirrors. Try to show you this, guys. I'm going to point out everything that I can find because I know it's you're in decision mode about buying this or buying a brand spanking new one. But guys, this truck is perfect. It could be parked right now on the Ram lot and you wouldn't know it didn't have 0 miles on it. I mean, just superb. Of course, all stock, all original. No cracks in the tail lights. Tires have exceptional tread, like I said, all around. Guys, not a dent, ding, scratch, or rock chip on that passenger side. Coming around here, again, consistent with the fact that it's only towed something one time. It's got like the minorest scratch where a ball was there. It doesn't even look like many safety chains have been on there. Like, it doesn't look like it's towed at all. Painted to match bumper, Ram, Laramie, backup camera up there in the chinzel, all of your power. Again, you can see no big scratches, dents, dings, nothing like that. Bed is clean. 5th wheel prep pack. A little bit of PPF film on this on the big old hips being the dually. A little PPF to keep it from getting scratched. Woo, it's a full-blown summer day out here. Got a little sweat going. So at this point, guys, I haven't seen anything. Like I said, no rock chips, dents, dings, scratches up at this point. I do believe there's one rock chip on the bumper, which we'll get to here in a minute. No rock chips on the hood. Of course, the hood's perfect. Got your clearance lights up on top, which is cool. And you got these cool headlights, big old Ram. You got your front mounted camera, I believe, as well as the Ram radar technology, whatever that means. And then you got, a rock chip right there. A couple little rock chips on the bumper, consistent with it having some mileage on it. But otherwise, Literally brand spanking new, perfect. I'm still gonna show you under the hood, I guess. Might as well. Try to show you everything you'd want to look at if you were here in person. Super clean engine bay, as you'd imagine. Again, fully serviced, just recently serviced, and always serviced at the dealer. So this thing is going to be, have been well cared for. Let's see if we'll start with the hood open. I'm not sure if it will or not. We'll try. It did. Perfect. Whew. So the hood's open. So it's probably going to beep at me for that. But it's got 19,676 miles on it. Again, I'm not going to show you like I would on those excursions that everything works, etc. Because, well, it's a brand new truck, still under warranty, everything is working. Basically silent, as these new diesels are. AC's going, feels nice. Yeah, so these trucks are super nice. My detail guy was very much pleased doing this truck versus some of the older stuff that we make them do sometimes. Didn't take very long to wash this truck. Yeah, I don't know what else to tell you. We'll still drive it. I don't think there's any reason to drive it, but we might as well still. But let me surmise, like I typically do, guys. It's a 2025 Ram 3500 Mega Cab Laramie, Laramie Level 2, $88,000 just back in September, plus tax out of license, guys. This was over 90 out the door. Significant discount buying it right now with 19,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, one owner, no accidents, no damage, none of that reported to Carfax. Fully serviced, recently, completely stocked. Only flaw in the truck, a few rock chips on the bumper towards the bottom, just consistent with it being driven. Otherwise, brand spanking new truck. All right, let's take it for a quick drive, which again is probably overkill, but might as well. And if you're wondering, the truck still smells brand new. It smells like it's, again, literally like it should be on the showroom floor. Backup camera. Like I said, if you have any questions, call me 979-202-1948. Really like these Ram trucks, just by the way. I think you guys do too. If you've noticed, we've actually been selling a lot of Ram trucks recently. Ram and Ford, kind of the two models, or the two manufacturers that we use are selling mostly. Of course, the screen does not look weird in person. The LED looks weird on a camera when it's recorded. So I can see in the camera, it looks like reddish. That is not actually happening. That's just the LED making the camera look funny. I'm not going to make this video be quite as long, guys. We're going to turn around a little faster again, as this is a brand spanking new truck, but no weird sounds, no squeaks, creaks, no weird smells. Again, very consistent with this being a brand new truck. If you have any questions, call me 979-202-1948. I think you're gonna save yourself $15,000, $20,000 potentially buying something with 19,000 miles on it versus going and buying a brand new one. So I think it makes a good financial decision. But hey, let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, hopefully I will talk to you soon. God bless you.